Hello, my name is attorney Michael Conway. And several years ago, I hired JC Marketing to do my website. I was really impressed with their preparation. When they came into my office, they had already done so much research. They were able to help me with the content and do so much of the website that it seemed like a very seamless process. I still get many compliments on it. Other attorneys, people who find me on the web, tell me what a great website that I have, and I'm very grateful to JCM Marketing. Joe's also helped me out with other advertising. I wanted to put an ad in the newspaper, and I asked Joe for a couple ideas. Joe was very aggressive and ended up giving me 10 ideas, and it just made it so much easier to pick the right advertisement for me. I can't tell you how helpful he's been for me personally and for my business, and I would recommend JC Marketing to anybody out there who needs a website, who needs advertising, or anything like that. He's truly helpful.